Hello everyone. Welcome to Online Help Guide channel. Today, in this video, we are going to show you how to disable someone's live notifications on TikTok. So let's start. First, unlock your mobile phone and open the TikTok app. Once you open the TikTok app, you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and it will take you to your profile page. There, you will see the following section. Tap on it. Now choose an account you want to disable live notifications. And, click on the bell button, located at the side of an account. Then, it will give you an option to turn off live notifications. Click on it. And, you have successfully disabled TikTok live notifications from an account. I hope this video was helpful, and you're able to disable live notifications on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.